friends, I am Vaibhav Senapati of Class 8B of BGM School 2. Here I come with my new video of a gaming. So let's start the game. All your favorite temple run. Before starting, I want to tell you one important thing. If you really like the video, please like it and please share it. And the most important, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Because we and my friends do a lot of hard work for you all. So please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. So here we go. Now we will play Temple Run. So let's start. I think you all can see it properly. If any problem, I will try to improve. Please write the problems in the comment box because this is my first gaming video. See properly how I play. I think now I will play very well because I'm more acquainted with this game. And I think also this will be popular among all the children. Not only the children, young people are also playing this game. I have seen also. Temple Run is very famous in India. And this is also the Temple Run too. Means more interesting. I am a good player in this. I'm well enough with this, as you can see. Friends, do you know the story of Temple Run? If you don't know the story to the Temple Run, I will make another video of this. Of Temple Run and send in this. So dear friends, now I have come with a video. From this video, you will know clearly, your doubts will be cleared properly about Temple Run 2 game. This newly improved Temple Run 2 game recommended for ages 6 plus because it contains some violent contents. Now come to improvement ideas. The ideas that are improved have multiple levels. It has multiple levels. Once the idol, means the murti as you say in Hindi word, is reached, the level will change and become longer than and more difficult than the previous one. Ability to calibrate the screen. Research. There has been more than 170 million downloads of original worldwide. It is rated 4.5 stars. It was the number one game as of February. It's addictive because you try to beat your own high score or a friend's high score. It has better graphics than the original. Gameplay is more action-packed, lightning effects and more enhanced. It has more part variations. It keeps kids entertained. Now let's know some facts. There's no end of the game unless you die. You can play laying down because you have to tilt the screen. It has swipe detection errors. It gets monotonous and repetitive quickly. The single monkey gets in the way when you jump. Now the Temple Run 2 has improved. So thank you. I think that you understood about the Temple Run 2. Now I will share you the history about Temple Run 2. I come with the history of Temple Run. In Temple Run, there was a people named as Guy Dangerous. He is named so because he is an archaeologist who go and explores to very dangerous place. So he is known as Guy Dangerous. His real name is not found till yet. His nickname was given by people as Guy Dangerous. Once upon a time, Guy Dangerous have heard from somewhere that a big temple in South America is there. In the temple there is an pure gold idol. He go to the temple and move inside slowly, and he cannot control by seeing the pure golden idol. He become greedy, and when he pick up the idol, the three monkey monsters attacked Guy Dangerous. Then we start a game. This is the history between the temple only. Temple and Guy Dangerous. Now we will talk the history which vary from Temple 1 to Temple Run 2. In Temple Run 2, you see some green colored diamonds. That are the special jewels of that area. Somehow the diamonds get the supernatural powers so that they lit up, and like the parachute they go to the sky. Now they are in the sky. From Temple Run 1, we know one three theory is that the player which Guy Dangerous will die if he will tackle a tree or tree branch or any obstacle. If he will fall, he will get only some scratches in the body on the wound. Now, if he will fall down the bridge, he will not die, and the monster will take the idol and keep it inside the temple. This is a circular form how it is going on till yet. From this we know that our player Guy Dangerous will not die, and the monkey will also not die. Let's know the history of the monkey monsters. You have any queries about this monkey monster? In such a big temple, no monsters are there, but only monkey monsters are there. Why? So the answer is that in Temple Run 1, 3 monsters are there. The story behind that is, in many years ago, one Asian civilization developed. This civilization developed like a speed vehicle, very fastly. They build many temples. They also get many इमारत जिसको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में, many long buildings like skyscrapers. They make pure gold idols that we see in Temple Run 1 and 2. They make 2 idols. So you have one question that why we see only 1 idols in Temple Run 1 and 2. The query is, I can clear the query is that one idol is kept in Temple Run 1 and one is of Temple Run 2. The Temple Run 2 temple was made by the Asian civilization people. They have the 2 idols. They donated 1 idol to the Temple Run 1 people. And those 3 monkey monsters you see in Temple Run 1, they are the special monsters or the doots of the Asian civilization Sardar. And Temple Run 2 Sardar is the monkey monster of Temple Run 2. Now you have a query that who is Sardar and what I am talking about. So I am talking about a great thing. When the Asian civilization occurred, there was a Sardar who controlled this whole area. That time, one Mahamari or pandemic situation came to their civilization area. This Sardar told that everyone is dying, I need to save myself. I want to be Amar or I will not die in this Mahamari or pandemic situation. So, he gave the tax to his special peoples to make one medicine or drug, as we can say, for him to make him Amar or he will not die anymore in this Mahamari or pandemic situation. They make the drug or the medicine, but the medicine do a side effect that they changes monsters we see in the Temple Run 1 and 2 both. So this is the history which I am talking about. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.